In front of me is Nothing CMF Phone 1, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Password Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access Passwords and Accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google. Select Google Password Manager and tap on any password that you wish to edit. Enter your login method. Hit Edit button and change wherever you want to. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!